There, a red brick building has been completed, just as I wanted.
Oh, this is great. Now I have 2 images I've created stacked in the gallery at the bottom. What else can I do with these?
If you click on a generated image, you can upscale it to a higher resolution for use in large printouts or use the Save button to store it on your computer. The Zoom button lets you see it in more detail in a new window.
Can I directly compare this image with the original Revit view I used to create it?
Yes, with just this toggle button next to the word image, you can instantly switch back and forth to compare the original view and the result.
Wow, that seems like a really great feature. The ability to handle everything in this one window seems to be a major strength. Finally, I'm curious about the ArchiFilm Hub you mentioned at the beginning. You said it's a place to find inspiration?
Yes, this is the 5th tip and the core of ArchiFilm. Learn and share in the Hub. In the Hub, you can see exactly what prompts other users use to create their amazing images, and you can apply those settings directly to your own model. Then, you can save your own fantastic results as new presets and share them back to the Hub. This virtuous cycle where everyone grows together is why we created the Hub. Okay, let's find an image I like in the Hub.
2. One of this Cadaval results used call fronts understanding.
This snow-covered image looks good. If I press the Apply button, the current settings will be loaded. I'll just tweak it a little to fit my building and generate it.
Wow, it actually created a snow-covered image of my model. That's such a simple and incredible feature. It seems like even beginners could get great results by making good use of the Hub.
And it doesn't stop there. If you get an image you like, you can save it as a preset and then upload and share it on the Hub with a thumbnail image. That contributes to the virtuous cycle of the Hub community.
Oh, you're right. So managing and sharing your creations for other users to reference would be really meaningful. And I heard that the top 3 images with the most likes get medals, and that the company BIMPeers will be giving out various rewards to the creators of those images. Is that true?
That's correct. You can receive a variety of rewards, so we really encourage everyone to actively participate in the Hub community. Yes, I believe that covers all the main features I wanted to introduce.
Wow, I really feel like I've gotten a complete tour of ArchiFilm today. It goes beyond just creating images. It's equipped with community features for sharing, learning, and growing together. Thank you so much for the insightful explanation and all the great tips.
It was a real pleasure getting to introduce ArchiFilm to your audience.
This has been ArchiFilm, a program that any Revit user would be excited to have. For more detailed information, please check the link below. The software will be continuously developed and improved, so we hope you'll follow along on its journey. Thank you.